to be a pretty quick video on the easiest way to learn the DSM diagnoses. So for better or for worse, learning the DSM diagnosis is a big part of really any mental health training. And a big part of learning the DSM is really just memorizing arbitrary criteria and arbitrary numbers. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't learn it, so let's go into the easiest way to do it. So the DSM splits the diagnosis into different sections, such as neurodevelopmental disorders, schizophrenia and other psychotic disorders, bipolar and depression, anxiety, etc., etc. So I made little one-page sheets that contain all the diagnoses within one of the sections. And to make it easier to find things, I made it so the diagnoses are highlighted in yellow, and then the different specifiers or coding things are going to be in red. So you can download the PDFs. I'll put a link in the description, and I couldn't give two whether or not you download it. It's just a Google Drive shared link, so I have really nothing to gain from you following what I say. But what I personally would recommend is just stapling all the sheets together. And then when you have a patient that, for example, is psychotic, you would flip to the psychotic sheet and then look through the different diagnoses and see what criteria the patient best fits. Really, the best way to get these things burned in your brain is not to sit down and study this all in one session. Rather, it's to see a patient on different days, look at the sheets that provide you with a good differential, and then think about why they fit some and why they don't fit the other criterias. So that's pretty much all I have for you.